I know that the festival began from the 9th of September. And as I said before, Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival of the family. It brings every family member together. And it is so beautiful to see everyone coming home for the festival. And of course, people have enjoyed Ganesh Chaturthi, but because of the ongoing pandemic, we were not able to have these programs for the ladies. Okay, so since the pandemic is on a lower note, we thought we'll have this program, competitions, various competitions, including Galo for the ladies. And as you can see this side, they are all so excited for having participated. And I think I have achieved my goal of bringing the ladies together for just 1 or 2 hours of joy and fun.